Well, what do you need the doctor for?
Stop. Stop.
It's my belly button.
If it hurts. If it hurts.
What are you doing?
If it hurts.
No.
It's gonna hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
No, it doesn't.
No, I'm not gonna go back to the doctor, Nick.
No, we're not.
If it hurts.
No.
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor, Nick.
No, we're not.
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor, Nick.
No.
If it hurts.
No.
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor.
No, we're not gonna go to the doctor.
Appointments.
What appointment?
If it hurts. I'm sorry.
It's been going on all morning.
What's wrong?
Well, what's wrong?
What's wrong?
I don't know. What's wrong?
You okay? Something not to touch you?
What?
You okay? Something not to touch you?
You're fine.
No, I'm not gonna touch you. Go to the doctor, Nick.
No, we're not gonna go to the doctor.
If it hurts.
These are tics.
If it hurts.
Does what hurt?
If it hurts.
What hurts?
So what hurts?
I don't know. You tell me.
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor.
No, we're not. We've already gone to the doctor. Mm-hmm. We have. We've already gone to the doctor for this.
If it hurts.
Yeah. She wants us to keep a log of it. So far, I've only come up with tics.
I'm sorry.
I am sorry.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. You're okay. You want some eggs for breakfast?
For breakfast?
Do you want some? You see,
You want milk?
you have milk. That's another thing.
You want milk?
You have milk. It's on the...
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor, Nick.
No, we're not. He's had milk on the counter
If
for like
it hurts.
2 hours.
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor, Nick.
No, we're not.
No, they're not gonna wake that up to go to the doctor, Nick.
No. We've given you medicine.
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor, Nick.
No, we're not. What are we doing? What are we doing?
If it hurts.
Does it hurt? Oh, we've got a new tic in which he slams his elbow against either the armrest or the table. I think he has a couple of bruises because he does it really hard. You can't really see, but yeah, those are new ones. Huh. I'm documenting some of your tics.
The doctor's gonna come soon.
It's not gonna come soon.
Yeah, the doctor's gonna come soon, Nick.
That teeth grinding is also a tic.
No, I'm not gonna go to the doctor, Nick.
No, we're not. We're not. I'll make you some breakfast, though. Do you want some breakfast? Some eggs. Make you some eggs.
If it hurts.
Alright, I'm gonna go.